goodness, I just literally have like this two, and this one is a real needle, but it's very small. This one is literally like just an Orbi. My case is literally gone. Let me go try and find it in a lost book. Okay, so I found it. Hello. I'm just looking for my case, and it's a monkey. Okay, so I found it, and I'm looking for this jumbo needles. I'm gonna scam them. Thanks, yeah, boy. They fall for it. Now let me put a case on of this thing. So I got it in a case. It is super pretty. Now this. So let me try and go try that girl. She is like super rich. Hi girl, would you like to write? I will add this 3 needles.
I will add to this. And this is super rare. Now I'm even gonna get it, but I want to try it.
Okay, I guess accept. I love this. Now let me find some squishies on the ground. Let's fidget hunt. Is that a 3D print? Let me go take it. And hope nobody saw it. Okay, let's go hunt. Let's go hunt. Wait, is that a Stitch? Me take it. Gonna be super rich. Let me go to the lost box again. Hi, I'm just looking for a Simple Dimple and the Sprint. Yes, but now I can finally try for that powder squishy. Let's go. Hi, I'm here again. Would you like to try it?
Yeah, I want to try this winner. And the peanut butter thing and then
Okay, Okay, I will add that. Okay.
add.
Okay. Oh my goodness, now I'm super rich. Come back for part 2.
Okay, good luck.